Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. It is Saturday morning. I'm not sure if Carla got this thing started yesterday or not. If not, welcome. If so, welcome from me. I did not record anything yesterday. So it's Saturday morning, middle of the morning already. Not quite, it's 9:30. And I just did my good deed for the day. Our washer still is not fixed yet. They figured out what was wrong with it, said they'll be back the next day to replace that part, and they did not get back yet. So I got up this morning and went to the laundromat, got it all washed. I'm taking it back home. Washed. Carla always picks on me, I say washed. It's washed, or whatever it is. Anyhow, I got it cleaned, and now I'm heading home, and Carla is going to dry it at home. I didn't realize laundromats would be so busy on a Saturday morning, but I guess you should figure.
Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning, and we come back. Welcome back to our videos. Yes. So, just a little bit of updates. What's going on here? So Lyle is doing laundry at the laundromat for me this morning because our washer still hasn't gotten fixed. The guy did come out and tell us what the problem is, and that was on Thursday, and said that the pump is, or the pump has gone bad, so it won't spin. So now we are so he took the pump along with him, and he said he would be able to fix it probably and be back by Friday. And well, Friday has come and gone, and I still have no washer, and I don't think they work weekends. So I have, with 7 people in the house, laundry tends to get piled very high quickly. So Lyle is actually out doing, he told me to sort it, and he'll take it quick, because I am babysitting this morning. I have 3 extra children here this morning, or for today, so, yeah, I'm just not able to do that. My thought was, oh, I'll go after they get picked up, which would be tonight, but yeah, I think it's just going to be too much so Lyle is blessing me in this way. So, another thing, I've been waiting to open it for you guys, because I thought you would enjoy. I got one of my packages, and I'm gonna get, according to shipping tracking, I'm gonna be getting another package today, possibly. But I thought I'd let you watch me open one of my packages that I have got that, yeah, if you watched our previous videos, you will be able to know. Maybe Lyle will link it up there for me. He's the one that does the editing, by the way, if you have not figured that out. But yeah, I'll let you watch me, and I'm pretty sure I know which one this is, but I'll let you watch. So I'm trying to figure out how I can let you watch and do it all by myself. So I ripped the end up, but I haven't opened it. And guess what? Voila, it's a pillow. Ha! There you guys go. It's a throw pillow. So, if you noticed, I have a brand new, it's like a navy dark blue quilt that I bought from Kohl's, or had gotten from Kohl's over their holiday sales. And, anyway, so now I got this nice goldish yellow, not mustard yellow, I don't know what color yellow you would call it, throw pillow to go on it. Yeah, look at my emoji pillow. It does not look the same kind of yellow. Maybe I'll turn the light on and get a little bit better lighting there. Ah! Yes, and my curtain is down because I don't like the curtain that was there before, if you've seen it before. I'm getting a new one of those too in one of my future packages.
So the last couple of days, I have actually been coming to Baltimore to some meetings here. It's kind of interesting. I've seen some meetings advertised that I wanted to come to. Asked a couple people if they'd come with me. Didn't work out for anyone. So I decided to come down myself. And I figured, well, you know, since no one else is coming with me, I'll just come down myself. And if you know me real well, I can be shy if I don't know people, or bashful a little bit. If I don't know you, I'm not super outgoing until I learn to know you a little bit. And so, you know, most times when I come to something, I usually have Carla along with me. And so, you know, there's at least someone I know, and it makes it a little bit easier. But coming into this one, I knew nobody. I knew one of the speakers a very little bit, but don't think I've ever talked to him before in my life. And I know that they didn't know me, so it was just going to be basically walking into a group of strangers. And so I figured, well, you know, church in Baltimore, it's probably a pretty big church. I'll get there, I'll just kind of sneak in, blend in, and it will be wouldn't be that big of a deal, right? Well, I get here the other night. See, the first night I came down would have been Thursday night. So I get here Thursday night, find a place, and I go, oh boy, this is not going to be a deal where you just sneak in and blend in with a group. Because this is a very, very small church. And you get inside, and it literally has room for 48 people. Yeah, they have like 48 chairs is all it is. It's set up. I mean, it is a small church. Whew, that's a little bit out of my comfort zone, just to be a little bit honest with you. But I went in, and it's been good. It has been real good. And the people here, wow. They treat you like family. Like, the first time, you know, they didn't know me from anyone, but they just come up to you and act like they knew you all your life. And it's just, they made you feel so welcome. And it's been a real blessing to come down here and to meet these people and meet new ones, and just seeing where they're at in their journey in life has been just amazing. We're getting ready to pack into the van.
Yay!
And head to Baltimore.
Yeah! I'll show us another day so we can go to Baltimore and watch the baseball games. There is a baseball game today. No, baseball season's over. Never mind. If it was baseball season, I would have wanted to go.
We're going down for church in here this morning, and then we're going to take the kiddos down to the airport to watch airplanes for a while. I drove down there yesterday afternoon. I had a bunch of time to kill, and so I drove down there and watched planes for a little bit, and decided we're going to take the children down. What do you think, Olivia? You want to go watch airplanes today?
Yeah. Not just.
So we brought the children down here to the airport. We got the airport right there in the background. Hey, there goes another plane off, guys. You see the tail take off? Up there. See, that one's taking off faster. See, there it goes up into the air?
That's southwest.
That's southwest, yeah. So that one took off pretty fast. Some of them take a little longer to take off.
Is Southwest popular as hell?
No, they fly at different times.
really cool.
That's all you gotta say?
Yeah.
I know this guy got some more to say about it.
It's very, very, very fun. I love it. It's amazing.
Wow. Guys of many words, right? We are down here at the Thomas A. Dixon Jr. Aircraft Observation Area. And there goes a plane off behind us. I don't know if you can see it. She had to get her words in too. I'm actually not sure what she said. We got 3 planes lined up, but they're coming in to land right now. I see 2 of them. Should be able to see a 3rd one back there somewhere. We got 3 of them coming in.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Southwest.
10, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
So we got this one, and then there's one behind it. I'm not sure if you can exactly see yet. And you got a plane taking off back here. Thought. Maybe not. That was still the other one landing. I thought I heard one taking off. No, that's still the other one landing. Oh, look at that. Now we got 3 more lined up. Got this one. This camera isn't doing very well for me today. I see 3 more out there.
That's the one I'm
They
on.
keep coming, keep coming. It's been a busy afternoon, which I'm glad. This is the first time we ever brought the boys down. It's the first time they ever got to watch planes like this land. And so I'm pretty glad. I'm glad that there's a lot happening. See how the wheels are hanging on it?
Now that was awesome.
Right, Preston?
We're just kind of hanging out in the car right now because we all got kind of cold. So we're warming up a little bit from watching planes. There's a whole bunch coming in. What do you think, Preston?
I see 2 more coming in. He is sad. He has Play-Doh.
The Play-Doh makes him sad.
He's allergic to Play-Doh.
Addie's happy. She has a straw.
I thought it was some hay.
Brrr. Hey. We're gonna wrap up this video. We're down here at the airport. We had a great time there at church again this morning. Wrapped up the meetings there that I was attending, and just had a really good time. I was really blessed to be there this week. And anyhow, yeah, we're down here. We're gonna wrap up this video. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. We'll see you back here again on Wednesday night. What do you say, guys? Hit that thumbs up button.
Hit that thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe button, which is right here.
Actually, it's gonna be right there.
Okay.
Boop, boop.
Right there.
Just hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to us yet. And hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. Like you said, see you guys back here Wednesday night. Have yourselves a wonderful day and be blessed.